Hello and welcome to my channel. Today's video I would like to dedicate to a brand new release from Chanel. We are going to be talking about the eyeshadows that they released, and I also did purchase this night fragrance and I'm going to talk about it in depth. So if you are a huge fan of Chanel makeup, then keep on watching. Before I'm going to proceed with the video, I would like to urge you to subscribe to my channel, to join me on my Instagram, hit the notification bell, do the necessary movements so you are up to date with my latest picture taking, which is very important nowadays, and videos. Of course, it is all optional. I would love to have you, but there is no pressure. Now, going back to the products that I did buy, so Chanel just released the very latest and greatest fall collection. I have picked up one eyeshadow and I'm gonna show you what it looks like. This is the eyeshadows that I have picked. So I opted out for this night fragrance from Chanel, and I'm going to talk about each product separately. A little bit about the eyeshadows. So they are made in Italy. It is a standard quad from Chanel. It is made out of plastic, the packaging. You do get a fantastic mirror. Also, there were some protective covers, and also you do get some applicators with your eyeshadows. When it comes to the actual fragrance, the box is made of cardboard. It is absolutely beautifully done. It is pearly, pearlescent, kind of white color, so it's not flat with gold, and this is the actual bottle. Packaging is made out of glass. It is frosted glass, may I add, and once again the actual label up front matches the pearlescent white color of the actual box. Beautiful. Oh yes, please. It is typical scent of a Coco Mademoiselle. So now that I have visually described to you the packaging, let's just move on and apply the makeup. Before I'm going to begin with my makeup application, I would like to share with you the box of goodies that I have received. This is what it looks like. So there was a eyeshadow set and the night fragrance. Perfume, night fragrance. Fragrance is a perfume, so you tell me, I'll call it perfume. And when it comes to the eyeshadows, there were 3 available. I believe there was only 3, and I've opted out for the shade or number rather 364. I am not going to be having an attempt to pronounce the name of these eyeshadows because you will need therapy after my French. So the eyeshadow included this protective lid, and also you do get 2 applicators. I have not swatched them, but apparently I did do a little bit of a damage with this lid. I will be providing you with swatches, of course, so without further ado, let's just begin applying the makeup. this is the end results for today's makeup application. Let's talk a little bit in depth when it comes to these eyeshadows. First of all, I absolutely love the color scheme. I think this was a perfect match for me when it comes to the super pale, and the shades are super pigmented. I have to provide you with swatches, and there's a little bit of a dust coming through, and I have to say that I did you know, had to clean up a little bit, but it's okay. I'm perfectly fine with that. I just think that if there is a pigmentation, there has to be a little bit of fallout, because when the eyeshadows are overbaked and they're kind of like hard to get in with the brush, and there was not a problem at all. I also did use the wet brush, and these shimmers were applied with the wet applicator, and I absolutely loved it. Please forgive my very creasy old eyelids, but the eyeshadow is not to blame. This is what happens when you get old. Everything is getting wrinkly and crinkly, so ignore that part. But overall, the eyeshadows is perfect. Let me provide you with swatches. Just beautiful. Look at it. 2, 3, 4. These are the shades. These eyeshadows are extremely buttery. They are very blendable, highly pigmented, just perfect. This is the look that I have created, and I absolutely love it. As you could see, I did use Chanel only products on my face, and I think overall look ended up being fantastic. And I love these little lipsticks, little quad of lipsticks that I have purchased. I'm not sure, I think it was a limited edition, but I'm not sure. Nevertheless, when I'm going to be run out of refills, because these are available in a standard bullet, so you can purchase that, I will definitely do that. Hope you like the look that I have created. It only took 3 makeup brushes and 1 wet applicator. I did use my MAC spray in order to get my colors a bit more vivid. I totally believe that this particular one could be used as a mono shadow, just getting a little bit of a richer color closer to your mobile lid, or keeping it on the mobile lid. And you can do double, as in connecting these two together. So there's just multiple ways of using this palette. I absolutely love it. Absolutely, yes please, thank you very much, Chanel. Swiftly moving on, another part of the purchase was this night fragrance. It's perfume, right? So it retails for $125 plus tax. All of the products that I've mentioned today came from chanel.com. So this retails for $125. It is made in France, and I did purchase 100 milliliters, or what's that, 100 milliliters is 3.4 fluid ounces of product. This is what the packaging looks like. It is very, very nice frosted glass. It's got them some golden writing, and the fragrance itself is just very nice. Typical Coco Mademoiselle. Unfortunately, I have not been blessed with the ability of being very poetic when it comes to describing the scent. All I can say that it is Coco Mademoiselle. It is night fragrance, and it does say that on the packaging, but I still would like to have an attempt to describe to you what I feel and what I think about this particular product. So Marilyn Monroe once said that the only thing she wears when she goes to bed is Chanel No. 5, which I have right here. This is classic, we all know it. It is a very, very long-lasting scent that stays with you for a long time. So I am going to rate this as a winterproof, very nice warm coat that is suited for Alaskan winter. So that means this is just stays with you for days. I can spray that on me, and 5 days later my hair still has Chanel No. 5 fragrance. I can smell it, my husband can smell it. So this is the winter coat, right? That will keep you warm. This I would rate as a very, very delicate, extremely skimpy piece of lingerie. That means it is not gonna provide you with much warmth, and it's not gonna give you much coverage either. Basically, this is before going to sleep. You just feel very extra. You spritz yourself up with it. In my case, 5 to 7 minutes later, okay, let's give it 10. In my case, 10 minutes later, I can't scent anything. I asked my mom, I asked my husband, they're like, what? So it is extra. It is up to you whether you think it is a necessary item. As far as I'm concerned, it is nice to have, but it is not the investment. If you assume that you're gonna buy this and you're gonna use it during the day and you're gonna smell like Coco Mademoiselle, this is not going to happen. So I keep my channel very straightforward, and I am honest. I love Chanel. They have all my money. On the same line with Guerlain and Tom Ford, and I just love Chanel, love. I have so many things from Chanel, but this is just, I just don't think it is all that and it's necessary, unless you are just feeling that for the next 5 minutes you want to smell very extra and bougie before you go to sleep. And that, my friends, is conclusion when it comes to this fragrance slash night perfume, or what is it, night fragrance, yes. So on this very interesting note, and I am super happy with my final makeup look, I would like to wrap up this video. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Let me know in the comments down below what you think about this video and the way I drew the conclusion between these two. And yeah, so I'll see you in my next one, but for now, it's bye-bye.